In this video, I will show you how to simply upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone or even on your PC. How can you simply upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, and what are the things you stand to benefit if you upgrade your Yahoo Mail from Yahoo Mail to Yahoo Mail Plus? Open up your Yahoo Mail app. Go ahead and click on this three slider. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on upgrade right here. That's going to take you right here. Upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, designed for better privacy. And it's going to take you right here. Upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, designed for better privacy and focus. Add free mail, 200 gig of storage capacity, disposable email address. And then you can scroll down right here and read details about this. If you are going for desktop plan, which is on your PC, you are paying this amount of money per month. If you are going for only mobile version, simply select only mobile version, which attracts 810 naira per month. And this depends on different country region as far as the price is concerned. Then scroll down right here and read details about what you get if you eventually upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus. Once you satisfy and read every details about Yahoo Mail Plus, all you have to do is to click on upgrade now. And you will prompt to make payment. You can use your Google Pay or any means of payment available to you to make payment for this package. After a successful payment, your Yahoo Mail is going to upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, and you start to benefit all the features of Yahoo Mail Plus. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.